Hi, I wanted to share with you how I'm using this journal and give you guys some ideas and some inspiration about how to use it. It's called Parsha Inspired, a journal for living deeply with the Parsha of the week. So I checked off what I did. I'm trying to go in order. And here's Bereshis. So I've been going on Chabad.org to listen to classes. And then in this empty space here, I've been writing some free verse poetry about the Parsha, how it relates to mental health. That's kind of been my thing. Sometimes I doodle. So I found this to be hard. When I sit with it, I got to sit with it for like a good 30-45 minutes. And I have to focus. Like it's a focus. It's good focus, but it is like hard to kind of extract what you're learning from the Parsha, what you find important, an inspirational quote from the Parsha. Like it does extract out of you, which it's good. I've been really enjoying doing this. So let's see. And also another thing I want to share is that it's between you and Hashem. There's no there's no right or wrong in this book. It just is, and it's whatever you're feeling and it's whatever you're learning. And really to make this journal your own, it just has to be meaningful for you. The goal of this is for it to be meaningful in a way that works for you. And so that's where I left off here. And so, yeah, if you have any questions, let me know if I can help you with anything. So that's this book. Thanks.